Welcome back to MySQL 5.7 End-of-Life Options. I'm Dave Stokes. I am a technology evangelist at Percona, and Percona does a lot of great things with open source databases. And this is the third in the series on the upgrade checker utility. And the circular directory references and table spaces data file paths. If you are using slashes and dots, it can get confusing. The new data dictionary, everything that was under varlib MySQL and all those little FRM and MyID files, the metadata is now within the data dictionary. So in some cases, when things are being changed over, the pathing can get messed up. You'll have to check out what it is and correct that. Uses of remove functions. Here's a list of the functions at this link. Hopefully you're not using one of those. If you are, you're going to have to change your references and work on something else. Also, usage of the remove group by ascending, descending syntax. Group by was rewritten because it wasn't very consistent and actually made assumptions that could be inconsistent. So that's been fixed. And if you're using a group by and you want them ordered, please use the order by clause. Remove system variables for error logging to the system log configuration and remove system variables. If you're running these variables, you're going to have to go through the manual pages and see why these were renamed or what they were removed for, and correct your settings. System variables with new default values. Occasionally, something will happen like where the old default was a 0 and now it's a 1. You just want to check this to make sure it's not something that impacts your operations. Schema inconsistencies resulting from file removal or corruption. Sometimes something gets mangled and you'll have to fix that. Oftentimes, sadly, the only way to get that back is to get the data from a backup. And remember, with 8.0, you can't backport to, or back down to 5.7. Once you go to 8, it's a one-way operation. Tables recognized by InnoDB that belong to a different engine. Use alter table and convert it over to InnoDB, please. New default authentication plugin consideration. Well, you have two choices. Use the new and improved and highly secure SHA-256 authentication, which was by the default SSL implementation, gives you a lot of great security to keep people from sniffing your data. Or go back to the old unsecure MySQL native password. If you go to this link here, you'll get the full details of the arguments between the two. If you do upgrade to the new SHA-256, make sure you upgrade your connectors and how you talk to your database through your application programming language. It's been almost 6 years, so things should be caught up. But occasionally, if you're running old code, this will bite you in the rear. So for those who are interested, please go out to the Google Classroom and take our quiz on this subject, and classroom.google.com, class code XD36VR4, and you can earn a wonderful certificate of completion.